Well, there is always a special buzz on the opening day of any cup competition. The first and only time when all teams, regardless of stature, history, reputation, start from the same position. Everybody can have the same hopes, everybody the same dreams. This could be our year. We're going to do it again. It will be us at last. Those are the sorts of things we hear year on year. Hardly a surprise then that everybody is raring to go. Certainly this is a very, very Havertz with the challenge, and he has given away a free kick. It's not taken him long, and that's going to be a booking. It's got through, he's had a goal! Oh, that was no routine save.
Well, what can I say? Truly wonderful goalkeeping.
And that has been cleared. Hit into the mid, towering header! No, he's got that completely wrong. Hoists it forward. Chalhanoglu, Sensi, Taremi, he's got away. It's broken loose. Dumfries has been caught there, it's a foul. Well, that looks like a final warning, still no card. Hincapi with the clearance. That's an untidy challenge. Free kick given. Subimendi. Anything noteworthy in the early part of the match, Jim?
Well, I think both teams probably feel it's too early for either to start taking real risks. So they're still very much in a phase of testing the waters and sizing each other up.
Managed to get it away. Sensi.
Inter have made it clear what they're trying to do for me, Peter.
What are they trying to do?
Well, I think they're making the pitch as big as possible to work both flanks into better supply routes.
Sensi. Tries to switch the play. Out for a throw. Loose ball, who's going to get that? Well, he's certainly caught him there, it's a free kick. Danger averted for now. And they've got it back as soon as they gave it away. Eze. Easy! Terrific save from the keeper.
Well, as tests go, Peter, the keeper has just received an A+ grade.
Bastoni. Inter Milan going about it patiently, perhaps too patiently. Now a chance to break. Taremi. Now it's on Nautovic. He's found his man. In with a header! Just off target.
Good effort, very good effort. He would have at least wanted to make the keeper work, though.
Çalhanoğlu. Good running with the ball. Can they build on it? You see, that's a frustrated figure right now. He just cannot get away.
Look, he could do with someone else taking responsibility to shift the target. He badly needs some help here.
Barella. Now it's has a hit! And the assistant referee has his flag raised for offside. And the whistle goes for half-time. So neither team has broken through, but certainly not for the want of trying. It's been an interesting game up to now, and still goals. No goals at this stage, but certainly not devoid of action. It is 0-0 here at half-time. Here we go again. 0-0 then, and we're back underway. Havertz tried to play it through.
Peter, his body shape was a giveaway before he made the pass, and its obviousness was appreciated.
Time to deliver. A really good feat. Has a pop! They've scored! And finally he has breathed life into the game. The lightness of step, the sharpness of movement, the certainty of finish.
Oh, look, it's always great to see a solo effort with a goal. It's the ideal combination of pace and control.
Inter Milan draw first blood here.
Well, listen, a few words of advice and encouragement from the manager during the break can often straighten things out, and it's paid off here.
Çalhanoğlu. Barella. Bastoni plays it forward. Arnautovic. Nicely controlled. And it's Çalhanoğlu. He'll hit it! Calafiori. Down by a goal, needing to go up a gear. That's how it looks here. How about it? Tries one! Oh, shame, that was nicely worked.
Well, there are a few pockets of space that are being exploited, and they need filling, and fast.
And it's played forward. Now it's on Nautovic. Sensi. Taremi has got himself a free kick. Great reaction! Oh, smart save, he had plenty to do.
Well, I thought his starting position was good, and that helped the keeper to judge the flight of the ball and deal with it well.
Tries to get it clear. Bastoni tries to head towards goal. Arnautovic. Big chance! Ødegaard. Over to the left. Not much subtlety, he's launched himself there. I have to say, that was an exemplary tackle. Stopped him dead in his tracks. Augusto, who's made his mark on this game, and it's Arnautovic. He could be in here. Taremi spreads it towards the left. Played into the middle.
This is good ball retention, and it should be enough from here, but they want to double their advantage.
And here's Arnautovic. Could be... has a goal! Oh, taken with style. 2 ahead, late in the day. Game over, surely.
Inter are looking strong on the break. Winning the ball in midfield is one thing, but it's their clever use of counter-attacking. That's the real highlight.
Inter Milan take a 2-goal lead, and things should be comfortable from here on in. Now it's Havertz. Is there any support? He might not need it. Timely intervention. Good clearance and very necessary. Merino. Oh, real shapes to shoot! Sticks it away! Late drama, late goal! This will be one frantic ending! Well, you've got to say, the odds on him missing from there were very slim.
Yeah, it looks simple, Peter, but it requires intelligent use of space and good understanding to pull it off.
Arsenal give themselves a chance of a fairy tale finish. Forward it goes. Arnautovic plays it out to the wing.
Inter can afford to settle on seeing this one out by running down the clock, I think.
Jose. He's through. And that will be the final act. Arsenal, their life made a little tougher. Defeat first up only adds to the pressure to win from now on in. Just summarise what we've seen today then, Jim.
Well, we can't dress it up. It's not a nice way of opening the group. They're immediately under pressure to bounce back in the next one, but they can cling to a few positives from this and get right back into the mix, I think.